Danny Collins hits the right notes. He snorts the white stuff, wine and women are priority items, and he's never seen the son he fathered years ago. Yet Danny Collins' sudden need to find his family is not the routine redemption of an aging rock star. He's not even the usual unpredictable, arrogant celebrity SOB. There's charm in his unapologetic ways and childlike pleasure at the doors that open because of his fame and fortune. Danny Collins' rock star lifestyle is interrupted when Frank, his agent and friend, presents him with a handwritten letter from John Lennon. Lennon's "Imagine All the People" plays nostalgically in the background. The letter written by Lennon to Danny way back in 1971 is inspirational enough to make the jaded rock star sit up and take stock. Overnight, tours where his ancient hit songs are recycled for fans as old as him don't take center stage anymore. When Danny lands in New Jersey in his private jet, zooms into the Hilton in a swank red car, and charms the pants off the hotel staff, his flamboyance is in full gush. But writer-director Dan Fogelman and lead star Al Pacino make Danny Collins such a charming old rascal that when he enters his son Tom Donnelly's suburban life, you want it to work. It doesn't, as his perky 7-year-old granddaughter Hope chirpily discloses that when he came on TV, her daddy asked her mummy to turn it off. Tom, who doesn't even carry his father's surname, wants him off his turf. But as Danny soon tells him, "You'd better learn to deal with it because I'm here to stay." It's finally not about affording an upper crust school for Hyper Hope or a loud vanity van full of goodie bags from Toys R Us. It's Danny's own ability to make a great connect that brings his family close to him. It's also not just about family because Danny's connect with his old agent or the equations he strikes up at the hotel make you root for the musician. Most of all, Dan Fogelman must take a bow for the consistent humor. When Danny swears to go off his vices on the road to redemption and Frank dryly points to his drink, the rockstar brazenly explains, "But I'm not running for Pope." A chat in the bar between Danny and hotel manager Mary is so flirtatious and amusing that he calls her a dinner tease. At the most emotionally serious moment of the film towards the end, when the son for whom he's never been around really needs him, Danny reassures him with a poker-faced, "Have I ever let you down?" Fogelman and Pacino score hugely for a relaxing cocktail of restored relationships and unending rounds of wit. Topped with endearing performances from the entire cast, Danny Collins walks away with a 3.5-star rating.